The goal of Savings by Design is to get builders and developers to look at their design up front. Through an integrated design process, we bring everyone together, all of the decision makers, to look and optimize at that building.
This is taking builders to a new level. This is an education, informative, collaborative session with experts at the table to help guide you and teach you the ways to get there. It really is everyone working together collaboratively to look at the house as a system holistically, and how do you move it above code.
Because it's not just looking at energy efficiency, it's also looking at environmental and the building air quality, everything else that goes around it.
There are so many green initiatives out there, and you can't just put them all in a pot and go, hey, we got a perfectly green building. A lot of these things will actually start to work against each other if they're not integrated properly.
The great thing about having a charrette is that you're getting everyone around the table in a creative kind of mindset, and so bringing together energy, mechanical and electrical engineers, and putting your minds together about how can we make this be the greenest building we can.
And so bringing in external experts that know a great deal of information about a specific area of knowledge is helpful, because it allows us to sort of peer into those areas that maybe we don't have as much knowledge or expertise in.
So it's interesting to see how those interrelate and how making a change in one feature can result in significant changes in another feature. And it's nice to see how the building systems interrelate and how they mesh.
We were able to talk holistically about the whole building and all of the disciplines in the building, and that's always a good thing, so we get to a more integrated approach about how we design the building.
We went through an analysis of changes we could make to housing specifications, and we were able to achieve a 28% energy saving based on the modeling at the end of the day.
This is not something that an individual developer could actually even think of pulling off on their own. So Enbridge developing a program like this that can so easily facilitate a smaller development was wonderful.
Programs like the Savings by Design program give that credibility to purchasers and make them feel more confident that the energy savings are real. I think they'll realize that a home that's built to these high specifications is going to be a home that's built with care and with more attention to detail.
When people come into the sales office, they're searching for a home, a nest for their families. They don't want to know what's behind the drywall. They want to experience what's on the inside of the drywall. But if we can use these designations and explain them in the proper way, for them it's like a validation that we trust and know that what's behind the drywall is good. And that gives them a real comfort.
At the end of the day, we can feel great that we're doing what we can to lessen our impact.
I think we have the ability, and therefore we have the responsibility to take that opportunity to do something better.